they made another 150 meters in just 1 year. Now, humans' addiction with TNT took it into the Second World War, blasting their way through the countryside of Europe. A lot of tunnel workers from New Zealand went overseas to fight in the war, to dig tunnels overseas. And they stopped working on the tunnel from 1939 to 1945. And when they returned, the government was pretty keen to see the completion of the tunnel. By 1945 onwards, they were allowed to use hydraulic-powered machinery to cut their way through the tunnel. So this is why the section here is more rounded. So you see the rounded shape from the cutting machines.
Right.
But back there it was more square because it was done with TNT and blasting. Now they finally made their way through the rock in 1952, but it was only big enough to squeeze a person through. They had another 2 years to widen the tunnel, make it big enough for vehicles to get through some of the tighter sections, and stabilize the rock, to bolt the rock through to some of the dodgy rocks that could fall down, as well as build the road on it and the drains on the side and things like that. So it was open to the public by 1954, 2 years after the national park was made. So you can see the steel beams along the roof there, the brackets designed to support some of the more fragile looking rocks. So this valley that we're going to come out through is called the Cleddau Valley.